Hello, this is Follow, aka I Shine Follower. Welcome to my channel. You want to go from this to this? No, we don't. We actually want to go the other way around, right? Anyways, in this video, we're doing a Yanky Twist crochet style. If you're interested in this, please keep watching. So for crochet, it's pretty easy, if I do say so myself. Well, all you need really is to get the foundation right. If the foundation is right, the hairstyle is going to come out pretty good. So the foundation is the most important as far as I'm concerned. So here for my foundation, I have my head section in two parts. The front section area, I have a cornrow going towards the back, and then the back section, I have the cornrow going in a circular direction. You see what I'm talking about. I wanted to take a time to give a shout out to one of my people. She has a braiding class, and I was able to take the class this year, and I can tell you for free that that class has really helped me. The class is Braid It Yourself. Basically, they teach you how to do your braid or your hair by yourself. So she goes over different styles, including crochet that I'm going over today. So if you're interested, please, I'll leave the information in the description below. You can go ahead and enroll into the class, and I will tell you the class was very, very, very helpful to me. It boosted my confidence, the fact that I know that I can do my hair all by myself. So I moved to this area about a year ago and looking for a hairstylist. I wasn't just in the mood for all that. So I've been doing my hair by myself ever since, and it's been a wonderful experience for me. And the fact that I can change my hairstyle anytime, it's awesome. So this particular day, it was a Sunday morning, very early as like 5 a.m. I was doing my hair. I don't think I would be able to go to any hairstylist place to do my hair at that time. So the fact that I can do my hair at the comfort of my home is just wonderful. So the way I do my crochet, I put my index finger through the hole of the extension, and then pull my crochet pin into my cornrow. So at the other side, I put the pin into the hole of the extension, then I pull it through and double or even triple knot the braid so I can have some assurance and security. So at that point, I was trying to go to church, so I stopped braiding and went to church, came back from church to continue my hair. So at this point, I'm just trying to trim and style the hair. So the style I was going for was a short bob style. So that's why I'm cutting it so much. But if you're doing yours, you can cut it to your desired length.
She grew up with love everyone would expect. Had an army behind her, got it from the opposite sex. Friends told her she was beautiful, so she gathered up her confidence, decided to go out on her own. She met you at the peak of her confidence, but all you cared about was would she submit, drop everything and give her all to you. Well, what about what the girls want? What about self-destiny? Shouldn't even be an argument. Consider what's best for me. What about what the
So hair is basically done now. I'm just styling, trimming to make sure all the ends are well trimmed and even. So yeah, this is basically it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'd like to get some feedback from you. Give me some ideas of videos that you'd like to see from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one. Bye for now.